There are a couple options to replace a sewer line without spending a fortune. So sewer line replacement can be super expensive. This is something that does come up sometimes on home inspections. There's a slow drain. Hey, you might want to scope the sewer line. They do, and they realize it's collapsing. So there could be two different options. You could have the option for a type of insurance, pay like $8 to $10 a month. And it's basically saying, hey, if my sewer line collapses, then they come out and either pay for it completely or give you a certain amount of money towards replacement. The other option, if it's already collapsed, you're already in dire straits, sometimes there are grant programs available. Go down to your city, tell them what's going on, ask them if they have a program for replacing old clay sewer lines, because in a way, it's their fault for installing them way back in the day, right? So sometimes they're willing to share the burden with you through some type of grant, whether it be city or state. I do know people who've had this done, and it might save you $4,000 to $10,000. You will have to apply, but hey, if you end up saving the money, it's worth it. And if you don't, you're already in a bad situation anyway. Good luck.